Alright, here's Thursday's video. I'll try to go a little bit faster. I know some of them were a lot longer than I wanted. So Thursday overview, we're going to go ahead and look at that. These are the activities that we're doing. Remembering if we click on them, it's going to be locked unless we've done the necessary requirements to unlock it. So this one is a Nearpod on plot and theme. So again, we're loading those Nearpods out of this browser. So you just go ahead and click on it, and it'll load that Nearpod for them to do. And to complete that whole thing, make sure they go all the way through the slides until it says this is the end. You want to start the Nearpod over. Obviously, you don't need to start it over, but click through all the slides and do the full thing. When they're finished with the Nearpod, they can go ahead and exit out of that, and all they have to do is just mark as done. So yep, I did the Nearpod. I scroll down, I go to next. Then we have the discussion board. So this is just like they did last time. So they're going to answer these questions and they're going to respond to at least one classmate. So here's the prompt that they are using. So the first thing I would do to train a puppy is blank. I think this is important because blank. And then they have to reply before they can see other responses. So they're going to have to go here. They can either type their response or they can do a video recording right here. And they can say, the first thing I would do to train a puppy is blank, blah, 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 blah. Once they post their reply, I'm obviously the first one, but they'll be able to see all the students' replies, and then they can reply to their friends. They can type it or they can do a video. And I agree with test student because, and write the reasoning there, and then they can go ahead and post a reply. So that'll show underneath theirs. So once they have added to the discussion, you'll be able to go ahead and click next. Same thing with this one. This is just a Nearpod, so they can go ahead and click that. We'll go through a Nearpod like normal. Make sure they go all the way to the end. When they're finished, they can exit it out. Scroll to the top and mark it as finished or done, and they can click next. Then they've got their math review sheet here. It's already embedded, so they can just do it here. Make sure they hand it in when they're done. If they don't do it, they won't be marked. They won't have any issues. This is the one thing that you could skip if you feel like there's too much work. So you either hit yes or no matter what your response is. It'll let you through to the next thing. And then you submit. Go ahead and click next. And that's everything for today.